Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. So as you can see from the title of this video, I have got new collections. I am having a birthday sale for my 32nd birthday, and then I've also got the March foil subscription kit here to show you guys. So I want to try to go over everything that I need to, but if I miss anything, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments down below and I will get back to you. You can also email me, or I'm on Instagram or Facebook. In any of those groups, you guys can get a hold of me somewhere. So let me start with new releases, and then I will move on to the foil bundles and all of the information on that. I will show it to you guys. So if you don't want it spoiled, I'll keep that at the end, but I'll go over this first. So for this weekend, my birthday is Sunday. So starting tonight, I will be doing 32% off on the website. It does not apply to the subscription bundles, and it will not apply to the new base kits, but we'll get into the reason. That's just because these will be $12.95. So that's actually a better deal than if I was to do the percentage. So I don't have the code set up yet. I probably should have done that first. I will put it right here on the screen. If you're watching this video, this code works and these will be up on the website. So the 4-page foil base kits will be, which is just this right here, will be $12.95 through Sunday, and then anything else I cannot talk tonight, anything else in the shop other than the subscription bundles, the 32% off will work for. Hopefully that all made sense. So anyway, let's get started on new releases. So I've got 2 new kits. One is a reformat, but I did change things in it. I'm really excited for this. So I'm gonna start first with the beach collection. This is gold foil, and we are all moving on to summer, at least in the sticker world. So I am in love with how this turned out. And again, I'm sorry for my shadow. It is dark outside, and that's the camera, like the tripod and everything that you guys are seeing. So we've got some birds flying over this scene right here, sunshine and tan lines. It's really cute, a bikini, surfboard, another beach scene with some birds, and then there's another one down here that has the birds as well as the umbrella. We've got this girl right here, and then a scuba mask as well as like a little tropical drink. I thought that was so cute. And then here is the bottom washi. So you've got this little like island. I'm having a really difficult time with that shadow. I think you guys can see it. There you go. It's almost like a summer heartbeat. You've got your date covers, and then for some reason, you know what guys, that's not the normal bottom washi. That is for the micro version of the kit, I'm sorry. So here is the regular bottom washi sheet. You also have your bow washi, you have a row of headers, date covers, and then 2 daily trackers. So that is the bottom washi sheet as well as the full box sheet. I just love how this looks. I love the colors too. Super fun. So your second sheet here has all of your boxes. You've got labels, appointment labels down here. You've got bow checklist, and then it's just some fun functional items. And then your third sheet has got 3 more rows of headers. You have a bow checklist here. This one does have 7 if you want to use it as a weekly tracker. 2 of the 2 bow checklist, 1 of the 3 bow checklist. You've got a couple more boxes over here, and then you've got your washi down at the bottom. So that is what a base kit looks like. So for this weekend, for this one as well as for Tranquility, those will be $12.95. There are also deals for like the base kit plus the ombre, or the base kit plus the icons and the scripts, all of those add-ons. There are also discounts for those. I don't have them sitting right here. I would let you know what they are, but those are part of that as well. So that is the first new collection. And then you guys already saw the second sheet of the micro version of this kit. This is driving me crazy. Let's straighten that. There we go. So this is the micro version. You've got your full boxes. You've got some boxes down here. This is the same, that it's got the 7 bows. You've got some 2 bow checklist, and then a couple of regular bow checklist, and then some functional items down at the bottom. And then you've got your washi, some boxes, a row of headers, your bottom washi, and then your date covers. So that is the beach collection. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. This one took me a while to kind of get it put together, but once I did, I just love how it turned out. So the second kit that we've got for this week is Tranquility. This is one of our best-selling kits, but it is different. We've got some different boxes. Oops, we've got some different foiling as well. So for your full boxes, We switched out this box here, and you actually have these foiled scissors on top of this notebook with the coffee. I thought that was so pretty. And then you've got your foiled string lights over the bed scene. We've got some foiled lavender, the foiled bows holding back the curtains, and then the foiled leaf here, as well as a foiled little, what am I wanting to say? Words, pot? It's not a pot, what's it called? I mean, it is technically a pot, like a gardening pot, but vase? It's not really a vase. I don't know, you guys are probably yelling at me by now what it is, so I'm just gonna move on. And then we've got another little stem over here. So I love how this turned out. I am obsessed with this kit, and it's been a minute since it's been in the shop. We didn't have it in the newer format. We had some leftover of the older format that might have been in the shop kind of recently, but definitely nothing within the last couple of formats, I wanna say. And it's such a beautiful kit for like spring and summer. So I wanted to bring that back. This one does have silver foil, and then your second sheet here. I did do some of the boxes with a actual background, like a photograph background. So there is your second sheet, third sheet, you've got your headers, your checklist, and then here is your bottom washi sheet as well as your date covers. You've got this big foiled like leaf piece coming off of both sides. Sorry for my lighting, you guys. It's looking kind of bad. Hopefully when I get into edit, it won't be that bad. So that is the Tranquility base kit. And then we have got the micro version of that kit. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. So there is that. So once again, for the birthday sale, I'm gonna put the coupon code here again. I'll get it set up before I get the video up, and that way I can have that ready. I think that's it for new release stuff. I wanna check and make sure, because I made a little bit of a list here. No, that's it. Okay, so moving on. If you do not want this spoiled for you, I'm going to show the March bundle. I also want to say these are on the website now, not on Cratejoy. Signups will be open through Monday, and let me think. So for right now, we're only going to have the option for the base kit, the micro kit, and then the base kit plus like the icons as well as the scripts. Those are gonna be the choices. They have to be purchased separately from any other items. They can't be like combined with birthday sale. These have to be purchased separately because they are a subscription. And then, what am I wanting to say? So I am gonna do a functional set. I had mentioned that that was coming. It's not ready. I want more time to perfect it, especially because I've been coming out with a lot of new functional items. I was originally just gonna go off of the old $2 Tuesday base that we used to do. A lot of people really liked that, but I feel like with all of the new stuff coming out, I wanna take more time and really make sure that I've got it like curated the way that I want it. So that is coming, it's gonna be probably next month. So for right now, we will have the base kit, which is this right here, which is just a 4-page kit like I just showed. Those are $15.95 plus shipping. So our regular base kits are normally $19.95 plus shipping. So there is a discount for the subscription bundles. And then you get a little foiled freebie. This is it for right now. This is the same one going out in orders. I'm not gonna like sit here and play, but this is gonna just kind of change up. I wanna be able to change it whenever, so I don't wanna make it something where it's like you're gonna get this particular freebie every single time. I wanna always be able to switch up what's on here. So you will get a just foiled freebie like this. The kits that we were doing did not come with the foiled freebie. So for base kit, $15.95 plus shipping, and then you will get this plus this. I did not grab the icons and the scripts, but that is an option. And then I did not grab micro, but that is also an option. So for micro, it's $7.95 plus shipping, plus you get your freebie. And then for, where did I put it? Okay, sorry guys. So for the base kit plus the script sampler plus the 2 icon sheets is $25.95. So that one is also at a discount. That one is normally $30. So yeah, all of this is up on the website. I just wanted to kind of go over it and also explain that the functional is going to be a minute. But signups will be open when this video goes up. If you are grandfathered in, you can go ahead and use your code. If you are purchasing multiple subscriptions, you should only get billed one time for the shipping cost. If for some reason that doesn't happen, let me know. If you're wanting to pick up the functional when that comes out, again, I will hopefully be able to get it set up so that if you already have a subscription, it will go ahead and add on without that extra shipping. If not, you'll need to purchase it, and then I'll refund your shipping, and then I can combine them on the back end, and it won't be that way every single month. It'll just be the first time. So, but we'll deal with that when it comes to it. So let's get started. So again, this is your freebie. This is, again, for right now. I want to keep messing with them. If there's anything you guys would like to see for these for the freebie, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm gonna keep kind of playing with it. So I almost wanna add date numbers as something that would go. But yeah, so if you don't want this spoiled for you, go ahead and click out now. Okay, you guys, so this is the March bundle. I am obsessed. I am so obsessed. So this has gold foiling, and I had to do some florals. It's been a minute. Maybe it hasn't, but it felt like it had been a minute. So we've got florals plus watercolor. Oh, I love it so much. I feel like my lights are kind of bright. Let me see if I can turn these kitchen lights down just a little bit. Okay, I think that helped, maybe. Oh, maybe I'm wrong, maybe it didn't. There we go. Okay, so as you guys can see, you've got a lot of really just kind of like delicate foil, floral foil. And I love it. Look at this bottom. Oh, I've got two. I don't know why I've got two. Look at this bottom washi. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, and I also am like completely in love with the color palette for this. I think it's so different. Like it's got the pinks and the purples, which isn't super different, but that kind of like beigey golden tone, I am just in love with. So this is it. I'm so excited. And I'm really excited to bring the subscription bundles back. I've been getting a lot of emails about them asking, so I'm really excited to bring these back. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, these are on the website now, not on Cratejoy, so you will be able to go straight to the website. They will be available on the front page, or there is a little link where you can click on foil bundle. So everything will be able to be done that way. So you've got your full box sheet, your functional sheet, and then you've got your headers, your washi, and your boxes, and then you have got your bottom washi sheet. So yeah, that is the base kit, and then the micro version of the kit will be in this format, but again, or I don't know if I've mentioned this or not yet, the full boxes for the micro kits will not be different like they used to be. So it will be the same full boxes, 3 of them from this. And then there will be the option for the add-ons. So yeah, I hope you guys love this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you plan on picking up if you do, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.